Hello everybody, it's Hynex here. Today we will create a floating crystal effect. Our first step is to create a new empty layer, then with the polygon lasso tool, draw a triangle and hit Alt backspace to fill it with the base color. We draw two more triangles to create the crystal shape. Now we make 3 more duplicate about our main layer with Ctrl J shortcut and move before every triangle one copy. Select every copy and press Ctrl Alt G for all 3 copy to clip it. And lastly, click on every clipped background photo one by one and just move it a little bit to make a reflection effect. And we are done. If you like this short tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.